Hey honeys, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today's collab is with Unice hair, and in the box it came with a satin bag, a headband for my edges, a wig cap, and also these long but very pretty eyelashes. So I can't wait to wear these. Also, they gave me this really cute pink robe and I'm feeling it. Okay, so let's get into this unit. It is honey blonde with these really pretty platinum highlights, as you can see, 22 inches, and it is body wave. Here's the construction of the cap. It's a T-part wig, so not a lot of parting space, but it's great for a middle part. There's 3 clips, adjustable straps, no adjustable band. So I started by using my True Match in the shade tan to conceal the lace. I applied 2 coats to this lace, and then I blow dried it because I want to make sure it was extra dry before plucking. I decided to pluck the unit off camera because it's not much hair to work with, of course, in the front. As you can see here, I only got to pluck just a little bit because I did not want to show that cap construction, and you can tell the difference between this side and the other side. There's just a little bit of a difference, and I went ahead and plucked the other side off camera. Even though this unit doesn't have an adjustable band, I went ahead and tightened those adjustable straps in the back, and it felt really good. So the cap felt snug, so you don't have to glue it down if you don't want to, but I will be gluing it down for this video. The lace was so long that I had to go ahead and cut it in 2 sections. Now this is my go-to, the bedhead hairspray. It is perfect, especially for if you just want your hair to stay on for about a day. I feel like it's great. Just make sure that you blow dry it as soon as it gets tacky. Now that my hair is glued down, I am going to go ahead and cut the lace. And normally I would cut off the sideburns, but for this unit I decided to leave them on. But it gets so difficult sometimes trying to glue them down. I'm going to spray a little bit more right here with the sideburn. Here my sideburns go, trying to act up on me. But no, it was cool because I just need to use a little bit more of my hairspray, and then I use my comb and I put in that work. You can't get that sideburn to stick. I hate when I get the extra glue, of course, on my face, but I could just take a wipe and get that off. But yeah, the sideburns sometimes are the hardest to get to lay down, especially when I use my hairspray versus actually using some type of glue. But yeah, so I had the same issue with this sideburn as well. I'm going to cut the lace on this side and then glue this sideburn down. You have to use a good amount, but you don't have to use too much, but you got to use more when you're trying to glue the sideburn down, and also add a little pressure. That's why I use the comb and then I dry it so it can just really get some extra pressure and stay in place. So yeah. Okay, so actually when I was cutting this time, I lifted some of the lace, so I'm just going to spray some glue on the edge and then put it right there on the edge of the lace that lifted. So if you notice that you still have some lace that has some extra glue and you can't stand the look of that, like right up here where I told you I put extra glue right there with my sideburn, just using a tad bit of oil, not too much because of course I don't want it to lift, but I use a little bit just to get rid of that kind of like a white overcast that I have on the lace. So just use just a little bit of oil, like almost just dab your hand in it. And this is actually, this is grapeseed oil, by the way. I'm actually gonna add a little volume in the front, and then I'm gonna lay a little bit of baby hair. Didn't know if I was gonna do baby hair first or not, but I think I'm gonna do just a tad bit right through here. And yeah, just lay it down a little bit more, because it's not a whole bunch of flyaways, so that's excellent. All right, so I'm using my pomade stick. Now I'm going to use the pomade so I can really define my part as well and lay down all this hair in the front, on the sides, and right here at the crown. Make sure you get that crown good, because the crown is always the hardest area to keep it from, like, you know, sticking up and give you that hump. Okay, so let's play around with some baby hairs. Let's see what we want to do. I think I'm gonna take them from right here. Not too much in the front, just kind of like off to the side. Get longer, and then I go shorter the next time. A little length. I'm just using some Go Glueless to lay these baby hairs down. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and one curl this hair, because I just feel like curls are gonna look so beautiful on this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl it in big sections, because I just want big, loose, wavy curls. I don't want anything super tight. Even though this hair is 150% density, it just feels so much fuller to me than that. It almost feels like a 180. It's crazy. Got the right side curled, and as you can see, this hair curls really good. I mean, it's holding the curl. I don't even have any hairspray in it yet, so I'm gonna do the other side off camera. All right, I'm back, and I have both sides curled now. Just going to take my wide tooth comb and gently comb the curls out, because I just want it to kind of look like a wave. And I just take my hands and play with it a little bit. I still can spread them out, but so it won't be so much frizz in the hair. Combing and scrunching. Yep, that's what I'm doing. And then also picking some of the curls apart to add more volume. All right, now so I'm just gonna make sure that my part is super defined. So I'm gonna add a little bit of Fit Me powder in my part, define it more, make it more bold. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys up close, show you the lace now with the baby hairs and everything. It looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some clothes on right quick and come back. So this turned out beautiful, loving it. I'm gonna use some hairspray, so make sure this stays in place. It's just an Aussie freeze spray. Just tap it. I'm about to be so extra in this hair, like super extra. Now you can say to me, only flaw I find about this hair is because yes, it's color treated hair. You have to be careful because sometimes color treated hair is more frizzy hair. But only way I can say is just try to not touch it as much. I can't stop touching my hair, but yeah. That's the only thing really about this hair. I mean, it is pretty. I did not actually wash the hair, so I'm not sure what it would do in a wash because I took it out the box and styled it. So, but yeah, it turned out looking really good. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the back.